Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Honeydue application. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a joint account with your partner. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Honeydue application on your device. And once you open it up, make sure that you are logged in using your email address and your login code. Once you have been logged in, if you wish to set up a joint account, then go ahead and tap on Balances at the bottom section. From here, tap on the Add button at the top right corner to add a new account. Now, you may connect with your bank account if it is supported by the application, choosing the Connect with your bank option. But if your bank is not listed, then you can tap on Add Account manually. You can now enter your account detail, such as your nickname and the name of your bank as well. Then choose your currency and enter your balance that you have. Then scroll down, and within the account type section, you may choose from the various different types that are shown. After making your account type selection, in order to make the account accessible by both or turn it into a joint account, make sure to change the Belongs To option into Joint. This will now make this account a joint account, meaning that both of the participants will be able to view all of the details. Finally, tap on the Save button at the top right corner, and now your shared account has been added to the list of all of your accounts right away. And this means that all of the transactions related to this account will now be visible to both you and your partner that you have added on the app. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add or link a joint account on the Honeydue application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.